Big screen movie collector. Big screen movie collector.
Hiya, welcome back. Let's get another one out of this box. I don't know if this is the last one. I don't think it is. Okay, another Back to the Future. Awesome. Let's get this off. Take a nose at the back first. Okay, let's get this. Put that under there so it don't blow away. There's the front. I like these. Beautiful Steelbook these are. And the other one, man. Okay, so there's the 4K. And that's the Blu-ray. Come on. And there's the inside. Well cool. Well chuffed, man. I'm well happy with these. I hope I've got all of them. Like I hope I ordered all of them. Yeah, I'm really happy with that, guys. Very, very happy. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Much appreciated.